Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, designer of the Paulk Workbench and the Total Station. And I'm going to try to do a series on technology tips for construction. And today I'm going to take just a minute to show you one app that I use on my iPhone. So this is my iPhone here. Currently I'm on my photo page on Google+. I keep all my apps in folders and so that I can find them easily. And so if I go to my utilities, and I click on the BH, that's Builder's Helper, that is my construction calculator. For years I used the standalone Construction Masters. I think they're around $40 or $50. But this is a lot better because I always have my phone. I need to make calls, take calls, text, record photographs, video, voice notes, written notes. There's all kinds of things that I do with this. A great example is I'm doing a kitchen remodel. I just finished. And I had a couple of corrections at the framing rough end, and I was able to just take a quick photograph of the correction report, email it to the subcontractor that needed to make the correction, and said, I'm going to call for reinspection tomorrow at noon, get this done. And it saves me from a phone call, and it puts a little urgency in my subcontractors. They don't need to get there. So anyway, there's a lot of good uses, but since I have it for all those other things, construction calculator made a lot of sense. Now I've had the Builder's Helper for a long time. There's probably a lot of good ones out there. I'm not particularly recommending this one, just the idea that your phone, in addition to being everything else, is a great calculator. So in this case, for me, I work and live in the imperial world. I have no understanding of metric. If you say to me, hey, cut me a board 600 millimeters, first I'd say, tell me what that is, because I wouldn't know. But I could grab out my calculator and do the conversion. So if I just click on this and put 600 millimeters and hit the EM key, I see that it's 23 inches, 23 and 5/8 inches, which in my world, that's what I understand. In addition to being a good basic construction calculator, it's also great for projects. So if I click on Quick Job down at the bottom and I want to say figure out a stair cut, I just hit stairs and then I'll hit clear. And let's say my run is 15 feet and I know my rise is, say it's 9-foot walls with a wooden foot floor, so 10 foot. And then I hit done. It calculates everything for me. You can see there's the angle. There is the length of stringers I'll need to purchase. So I know I'll need to get 18-foot or 20-foot goods. The stairwell opening, the actual tread depth, the tread quantity, riser height, and the number of risers. And then you can see up here, these are the kind of the presets that I have set up for my area. I can go into these and change them individually. If I want to, for example, I use 10-inch tread depth. It's actually more than that. That's where the plumb edge is, the leading edge. Of course, there's a nosing on that, so it gets closer to 12 when it's finished. So I look at this and see that at actual tread depth is 12. So I'd end up adjusting this to make my finished cuts. And then also, again, there's rafters. I can figure out arcs and circles and miter cuts. I don't use it for that. I've got other tools, but it's there. I can I can estimate for concrete pour. Just a lot of great tools. It's right there. It's in my hand. It's a massive computer, and I've got it with me. So if you like these technology tips for woodworkers, I have a lot of other apps and tools that I use, and I'd be glad to share them. If you guys like this, if I get a lot of views, I'll think about doing some others in the future. And also, if you want to pick up a set of plans for one of my workbenches that you see me using in the field and in the shop, there'll be a link right here in the video. Click on it, go over, make the purchase, and then immediately you'll get a receipt. At the bottom of that receipt, there'll be a link. Click on it. You can download the PDF plans immediately and get to work on building your bench. If you like these videos, be sure to subscribe and share them with others and like them. And I hope this video tip helped. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.